Welcome to today's review, where we'll be diving into the PS VR2 Accessories Kit, designed to take your PlayStation VR2 experience to the next level. If you're like me and enjoy immersive gaming sessions on your PS VR2, then you know how important it is to have accessories that not only enhance comfort but also protect your investment. Let's start with the silicone pad kit handle grips for the VR2 Sense controller. These grips not only provide a more comfortable and secure grip during intense gaming sessions but also help to prevent hand fatigue. The silicone material used is soft and durable, ensuring long-lasting comfort and support. Next up, we have the anti-dust cover for the PS VR2 lens. Keeping your VR lens clean and scratch-free is crucial for maintaining optimal visual clarity. This cover provides a simple yet effective solution to protect your lens from dust, scratches, and other potential damage when not in use. Installation is a breeze with these accessories, thanks to their precise cut and anti-slip design. You won't have to worry about struggling to set them up or them slipping off during gameplay. Plus, they seamlessly integrate with your PS VR2 setup without adding any bulk or hindering functionality. One standout feature of this kit is the attention to detail in its design. From the ergonomic handle grips to the perfectly sized lens cover, each accessory is tailored to enhance your gaming experience without compromise. Overall, the PS VR2 Accessories Kit offers excellent value for money, providing essential enhancements to your PlayStation VR2 setup. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore VR enthusiast, these accessories are sure to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. So why wait? Level up your PS VR2 setup today with the PS VR2 Accessories Kit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.